Hello and welcome to Hyping Tech. Right behind this big box, we're going to have a look at it right now. What is the best blender and grinder? So we've got a big delivery here. There will be a link in the description for you to check yours out. So let's have a quick ganders and see what we have got. So straight away, it's going to be a large package. And we're already getting 50 quid for some douche deal, which we'll get rid of. It's a glass jug one, so it's not the cheapy one. It's the good one. You'll know if you're following the channel. We've been doing some testing with blenders, and we picked up some cheap stuff off eBay, and that did not do well for us at all. So right now, we've basically gone and got ourselves a nice one. Let's get rid of that, and there it is, the beauty. So it should be a lot quieter, it should be a lot better. Russell Hobbs is your brand, boys and girls. Let me get me mic. Okay, so the good thing about this one is it's a dual one. So if you want to grind some nuts and get some nuts in the bad boy, you can do that by entering nuttage within there. You can get some nice nuttage. Okay. Yeah, okay, it's got separate blades, so that goes with that. However, we have a separate one over here, and that is a glass jug. You probably can't see all of that. It's got a little in section. Actually, it feels quite nice. I'm hoping it's a lot lighter than the one we had before. Let me see if you can see the front view. Let's have a look. There we go. Okay. So that is the Russell Hobbs. Nice square design. Looks good. Looks a lot better, if not similar to the first one we had, which was a Lidl special. So check out our Lidl option. Let me get you this one up. So this is the one we've got. Russell Hobbs Velocity Blender, smoothie maker, removable blades, and it's got multiple options for grinding and juicing. Currently priced at $84.97. So make sure to check the link in the description, because I will give you a link to purchase this, because it looks like a good blender. We'll use it for a little while, see how we get on with it, but so far feels like good quality, and it's got that glass feel about it. Let's have a look at the blurbs. Stylish white finish with black and cool grey accents. Powerful 600 watt motor, 6-point blade, and I'm not even showing you on the right screen. Let's show you that screen. There you go, boys and girls. That was your quick unboxing, and give me a little while. Let me blend some stuff and I'll get back to you to see if it's any good or not. And that's how we roll on Hyping Tech in a Bizzle Chisel.